Jamming. Hello, wagwan, konnichiwa, konbanwa. Welcome back to another section. Chigaimasu. Welcome back to my channel. And you don't know, say, yo, we have some unboxing to do today, so stay tuned.
Can't ball in a life, man.
Welcome back to another session, jamming session. Alright guys, alright, so today we have unboxing to do. Alright, so before we go into the unboxing, guys, I want to say, and I would like to say thank you so much if you are subscribed to the Jamanesestyle channel. You don't know, yo, love go all the way up. Like, thank you so much for being a part of the family and being faithful to the family and commenting on the videos. Yo, straight up, bless. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm feeling so overwhelmed to see that I started with 0 subscribers and now I'm at about 300 something. I'm so happy for that. So my channel. Alright, now so let's go into the unboxing. Guys, I cannot read Japanese, so I'm not sure what this is. So let's go into the unboxing. Let's see what's up with this. Pen. Amazon, from Amazon. Amazon. Like we are DJ, yeah. Alright, put it right down this thing. Scary face. Guys, I'm actually coming from work. I'm just chilling, doing this video with you guys because I love my JS family and I always want to keep my JS family abreast with everything. So in the box, let's see what this is. Wow! Selfie stick. Yes! Finally get a selfie stick. Masa selfie stick from Wireless Selfie Stick. Man, English. How to use. Man, alright guys, let's set it up. Let's set this up right here and then. Wow, the quality seems strong. Guys, if you want to know how my video, piece of tape on the mirror and video. Or on the table, use one book catch up here. Use one book or one piece of container cock up the phone. Sorry. Whoa. Oh my days. Yes, man. Me deserve it, man. Oh, this gonna supposed to. No, this have a program. Rotted. Papa. This have a program. Rotted. Oh, this is the base. Oh, can't go back in. Alright, so it's in. This is supposed to come long down. It's supposed to be. Supposed to have like something like a stretch. Right, let's go. Alright, so we have this one. So let's see. Oh, wait. I can rest that down. Wait. Okay. Understand the selfie now. Oh. we go. There we go. Selfie up and running, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Selfie. Man. Should I read the instruction? Read the instructions. The instructions, right? Alright. Whoa, guys. Selfie stick. Selfie stick. Yes, man. Thank you so much, guys. I can do this better. Thank you so much for watching. Alright. So good. Good. All set. Later we can try it out. Alright. One more thing. I had one more unboxing to do. The next thing now. The next thing unboxing. Alright. So I ordered some. Put this in my pocket. I ordered some pockets. So I ordered some little trinkets like bracelet and so on from a friend. She just started doing her business. The packaging is very good. Very, very nice packaging. So the envelope as well. The envelope as well is so lovely. So lovely. So lovely. Nice. Alright, so let's check it out. Wow. Packaging is beautiful. Beautiful. So, and you have a thank you card. So it's Ysouzou. Ysouzou. And you can check this out on Etsy. Etsy.com. And they sell this is so nice. They sell like little bracelets and so on. So let me check what's inside. Wow. So beautiful, right? Wow, she gave me like a little. I really like this. I really, really like this, guys. This is nice. Little finger, little ring thing going on. Wow. I really like them. I really like them, family. They're beautiful. So I leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting these. I paid like what, 300 yen or 250 yen. So it's like that would be like $2 US or $3 US if you're interested in getting these like these. Yeah, I think it's pretty beautiful. I think it's very good. Alright, now, so good. Alright, so